Who are you surrounding yourself with? So what kind of people are there around you? Because people either inspire you or they drain you. Yeah. What are the kind of people that you have around you, that you interact with on an everyday basis? And what is the impact it has on you? How does it make you feel? How are those people impacting you? And what must you do? How can you be mindful of the kind of people that you're surrounding yourself with? So this video is very, very critical. Watch it right until the end. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping corporate leaders build deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video relatable, meaningful. Also subscribe to the channel if you've not done it already. So, in your professional space as well as your personal space, every day we are interacting with a large number of people. Personal space, it's pretty much constant. वही लोग हैं आपके घर में, it will be your parents, your spouse, children, right? जिनके साथ आप रोज उठते बैठते हैं. और प्रोफेशनल स्पेस में भी एक फिक्स लोग हैं जो जिनके साथ आप रोज मिलते हैं, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा वेरिएबल भी है जहाँ पे क्लाइंट्स हैं, वेंडर्स हैं, नए लोग हैं, बहुत सारे नए इंटरेक्शंस होते हैं, नेटवर्किंग होती है. एंड इवन इन दैट सेटअप जहाँ फिक्स लोग हैं, these people, they exert an impact on you, they exert an influence on you. जिनके साथ हम उठ रहे बैठ रहे हैं, they are also different brains actually. Those are all different brains. When I say different people, अलग अलग ब्रेन्स. और ब्रेन्स का काम क्या है? ब्रेन्स का काम है अपने बिलीव्स को रन करना, राइट? वही जो पैटर्न्स हैं उनको रन करना. नाउ किसकी प्रोग्रामिंग कैसी है, हार्ड वायरिंग कैसी है, उस बेसिस पे वो उनकी एनर्जी भी इम्पैक्ट होती है और वो एनर्जी आप तक भी पहुंचती है. So if there is somebody who is always disempowered or feels negative, feels, a certain way, then he is going to pass that on to you also. You, in the presence of that person, are not going to feel wow and energetic and full of energy and let me take this action, ye ho jayega. No. Right? And for those of you who complain that somehow momentum नहीं बन रहा है, चीजें आगे नहीं बढ़ रही हैं, you've got to see that, a lot of times we say, have a mastermind, have a community that you are a part of so that you have like-minded people. It's important. We emphasize on like-minded people. What is community all about? It's about like-minded people. So you have business communities where you have all these people, like-minded people coming together, working in that same direction, inspiring each other, encouraging each other, doing it together. And that works, doesn't it? Now, same way, when you are surrounded with people who have negative energies, who are disempowered, then that's the impact on you as well. Now, if you don't stand guard to who you are interacting with, who you're surrounding yourself with, then it's going to take a toll on you. If you are working towards a goal and people around you are constantly disempowering, this doesn't work, you can't be wasting time like this, or you don't spend time with me, ऐसे नहीं होता है, ये तो work नहीं करेगा, competition बहुत है, etc., etc. People have their own opinions, right? Now, couple of things that you need to do. Number one, wherever you can distance yourself from such people, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. Number two, if you cannot distance yourself from such people, okay, maybe in your personal space, you have your relatives, immediate people who are there. You cannot really run away. They are there, part of your family. Then it's important to have your boundaries. Okay, it's important to have your boundaries around what is acceptable, what is not acceptable, and what do you really want, what are you up to. So making it very clear, not compromising on that. And number 3 is doing the work, training your brain to not get impacted by what's there. So sometimes you cannot do away with that person, you cannot run away from that person. बाउंड्रीज भी हैं, लेकिन बहुत rigid boundaries नहीं बना सकते हो. Let's say it's your mom, and you cannot say much to her, you cannot really have those rigid boundaries there. Then you need to learn to to be able to steer through it, to not get impacted by what she's saying or doing, to manage yourself in a way which is powerful and it impacts you in a forwarding way, so you're able to steer through it. Yeah, but it is very, very important that you take charge and responsibility and you are conscious of it. We are most of the times not conscious who we are spending time with. For all you know, you've spent 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour gossiping with somebody, and at the end of those 40 minutes, 1 hour, for all you know, you are left feeling overwhelmed. Oh my God. So you've got to stand guard to your brain. What are you letting in, right? Because all these people are basically energies. They're sending out energies. What are you letting in? Yep. So this is very, very important. It's just a reinforcement. I'm sure you would have thought about it, would have heard about it, but a very, very strong reminder to stand guard, to be very, very conscious of who are you surrounding yourself with. Yeah. Do write to me. What was your takeaway? Are you conscious? How do you see people around you impacting you? And what are you going to do differently? I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you've not done it already. Take care. Bye-bye.